In this video, we want to talk about Nvidia, and if we scroll out to the monthly chart, we can see since late 2022, price is up nearly 1,000%. However, if I scroll back down to the weekly chart, since the June highs, price is off nearly 10%. The question, however, that we want to answer in this video is, should you buy before October 7th? Now, before we get into the analysis, let's look at some potential reasons to go long tomorrow. As the de facto leader of the entire industry, Nvidia needs to continue to do just that, lead. The 2024 AI Summit, which begins on October 7th, is a chance for the company to bring together some of the biggest faces and best minds in the industry to help push AI forward. One of the primary questions investors have for the company, and it's a legitimate one, is, are the real-world applications of AI that impactful? Is the incredible cost of AI hardware worth the investment? Now, the summit will be a chance for Nvidia to showcase the myriad ways AI can be used to return real value. Now, the event in and of itself is unlikely to move the needle, but it may help ease some fears and get investors thinking about the possibilities and power of AI. Now, reason why price is off the June highs: there was a delay in their next technology platform, Blackwell. Nvidia's only major snafu since the AI boom took off. Company announced its latest line of chips, dubbed Blackwell, was delayed. Issues in its manufacturing meant that they wouldn't be shipped on time. Nvidia assured that shipments would only be delayed a quarter. Despite these reassurances, some investors worried that the issues were more fundamental, then the delay would be longer. Still, even if they don't ship until late in the quarter, the rollout will be a huge bang for the company. Regardless, their impact will be felt immediately, with billions of sales expected before the end of Q4. Now, let's look at valuation. At a P/E earnings ratio of 56, Nvidia isn't cheap, but given its current pace of growth, a trailing P/E isn't really the best metric for us. You want to look at the forward P/E. That is a P/E that accounts for its expected earnings in the next 12 months rather than the last 12 months. It's just above 30. That's not bad in the world of tech. It's just about where Apple and Amazon sit. Then you have the other valuation metric. It's called the PEG, P/E ratio, which when you get by dividing the company's P/E by its expected growth earnings. This is an excellent metric for companies with a lot of growth potential. As a general rule, a PEG under 1 is where you want to be, and Nvidia is just under 1. Now, let's get back to the analysis. And my eyes gravitate to this rally base, rally. And if I draw a red rectangle around that weekly level of interest, you can see how price came down into that level and then shot higher. Now, where are the highs? Closing highs. This is where I want to see price get to. At a minimum, you should see price get to 130. That's the round hole psychological number. But I want to see closes above 132. And if we get closes above 132, you can expect prices to move higher. Now, my ultimate target for 2024 is 150. Let's take it down to the daily chart, and you can see how price has just been sideways. No real trend it has taken place. However, again, this is that 130 level that we were seeing. You did have a false breakout to the upside back in June, and then another false breakout to the upside back in July. Question is and will the third time be a charm? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is Nvidia a buy at current levels? Do you wait for a pullback? Are you waiting for the breakout? Is it a sell, or is it just a hold and wait and see? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.